Hello and welcome back to So You Want to Learn How to Crochet. This is Mandy and I want to say thank you for coming back today. I want to show you the new stitch. It's called a double crochet two together, and it's abbreviated as DC, the number 2, TOG, double crochet two together. It's a very simple stitch. It just may seem complicated, but it's very simple once you get it. You can see I've used two different colors here. I'll show you inside this one single stitch here. You can separate it, and there's actually two double crochets together. Because if you would just do two double crochets in each one of these, you're going to be adding chains and making it bigger, and we don't want to do that. So, see, I've already changed it back to white, and at the end of the row, you're going to do what you normally do. It'd be chain 2. And then the stitch where you would the next stitch you normally would go into, which is the stitch from the hook, not this one at the hook, the very next one. Wrap it around, yarn over, stick it through, wrap it around, and pull it through. Now you have 3, just like a double crochet. You're going to wrap it around, pull it through, 2. Now you have 2 on your hook. Wrap it around, stick it back through that same chain. Let me do that again so you can see what I'm doing. Wrap it around and stick it right back through that same chain. Wrap it around, pull it through, and you should have 4 on your hook. You're going to wrap it around, pull it through 2. Now you got 3. And then there you go. Now you don't necessarily have to do it in the same stitch. If you want to like decrease, you would do it in this chain and this chain if you wanted to make it not as wide. But this way you're not adding any width to it, but you are making a very pretty stitch. So you're going to wrap it around, go into your next chain, and stick it through, wrap it around, pull it through, just like a double crochet. You're going to wrap it around, pull it through only 2 of them, wrap it around, and stick it right back through that very same chain, wrap it around, and now you have 4. Wrap it around, pull it through only 2. Only 2 of them, which is going to leave 3 on your hook. And then pull it through all 3 of them. And there you go. We've got another double crochet 2 together. This would be a very, very nice afghan. I mean, especially if you changed each row the color, where you could actually see that you got 2 in there. And so I think I might make you one out of this when I get through with all the projects I got going on. So but I did mention in a previous video that I was making a child's scarf, and that when I got it done I would show it to you. Now you can see I love this yarn. See, I wasn't going to put any things on there, and this is actually done with the double half crochet. It is 150 chains long, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think it's like 8 or 9 rows high, but it's very warm. It's actually made out of a blanket yarn, but I said I'd show it to you. It is done, and I'm actually starting another one for my other grandson. You know, I'm looking at the ends. It's not a skip stitch, it's just the way this yarn is when you turn your corners. So, I do want to say thank you for watching, and remember our stitch of the day, which is the double crochet 2 together. Like my videos, Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Are you planning on using this stitch on anything? Make afghan, make a scarf. I mean, that'd make a really pretty scarf. I mean, change, use the same 2 colors over and over and over again, or 3 different colors. I mean, it'd be very pretty. Hit like, subscribe to my videos. I've got a lot more coming. Again, I want to say thank you, and remember our double crochet 2 together stitch. I'll be talking at you later. Happy crochet.